Hi everyone, welcome back to ITTECHTARUN channel. I hope everyone is safe in this lockdown period. One of my earlier video, I explained how to register free Microsoft Azure training and get the voucher code to write the AZ900 exam. In this video, I would like to share some important course which will help you to clear the AZ900 Azure fundamental course. Okay, so guys, so today Udemy providing one course on this Azure fundamentals. So this course contains the few of the practice tests. So you have to read all the 90 questions, which these questions may come into this exam. So I suggest you guys go to this exam and read all these questions one more time. And so today they are giving this course as a free. So you have to apply this coupon code. Okay, and I will give this link in the description on coupon code, so check it once. And also those who are learning AWS and who are planning to take AWS certification, they can also take this course. So AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Practice Exam course. This course contains a set of practice exam. There are total 390 questions is here. So you have to read all these questions and you have to read the answers and understand the topic and concept, so that it will be easy for you to clear the associate architect exam. So they are offering free. If you use this coupon code, you can get this course for free. I will give this link in the description. You need to check there. And there is only one day left to utilize this software. So register and just enroll the course. Okay, once you enroll the course, you will get this screen. Go to course, and you can see begin the test practice exam, and you need to read each question and try to answer the question, and just skipping all questions. Okay, once you complete your test, you need to click on the finish test. They will show the how many questions you put the correct answer or not. Then you click on the review questions. Here they will provide the question and they will provide the answer. So go to each question and check whether you are putting the correct answer or not. Okay, and also go to the for AWS guys, go to this course and click on the once you enroll the course, you need to click on the go to course, and there they provide the click on the any of the test and click on the begin test. Read the question and try to answer the question as many as possible. And I'm just skipping the questions. Okay, for in this course they also provide the explanation. Okay, once after you complete all the questions, you need to finish test. Then they will show the how many questions are correct or incorrect. Then you click on the review questions. In this course they also provide the explanation. They are given the explanation why these two options are correct. So read each and every question and try to understand the concept. Read the explanation and try to understand the concept. Okay, so try to go for each 6 practice tests and understand that concept. I hope these two courses, free courses, will helpful for you, and I will provide these links in the description. Just check into this course. Hope you guys you are liking these videos, and in future I will do videos on the technology side, so please subscribe on the channel, and if you like this video, like and share with your friends so that they can also get benefit of these courses. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.